In this video I will show you how to fix this toilet seat. As you can see, it moves around. So if you have got one of those toilets and the thing is broken, it's not broken, you just need to tie it up with these two back screws. So you don't need to replace it. There's nothing wrong with it, just the screws, the two screws are loose. So first thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this seat. All you have to do, hold it upwards. There is a, if you look here, there is a bar. Just press it in, both sides. So you press this thing all the way in, and you chip it up. Other side too, and this comes off. So you press these two, one here, one there, and you lift it up. And you get these screws. Now, next what we're gonna do, remove these covers. Get a flathead screwdriver. This flathead screwdriver in here. Then you just lift them up gently. The other side too. Just rub up. So these are the loose screws. These are the ones. So we just have to tighten them up. Remember they are hexed screws. Just look which size, maybe this one. So I have this hexed bit I'm gonna use, as you can see. So before you tie them up, you just have to make sure the seat is gonna line up with these holes. So before you tie it up, just make sure it's gonna line up. So on here, on that side, because later on it's hard to fit the seat. So just like that, I fit it in. Now we're gonna remove it gently. So they're gonna be just like that. Now what I'm gonna do, tie the screw up. Make sure the rubber thing, it doesn't move. Tight enough, it's not going anywhere. The next one too. So that's it. Tie them up. Pretty tight now. What we're gonna do, just make sure holes lining up. Beautiful. It's lining up. I wanna click them in. I want to lock the seat in yet. And these two covers, put them back. And here. On the other side. Now install the seat. Same thing. You have to push these buttons. That's it. Installed. It's all fixed. That's all. Not moving anywhere. That's it. So it's all fixed. It's not going anywhere. That's all. Stop to close.